Hey guys, it's your buddy Ron. Today we're going to look at this GOOLOO Jump Starter that was sent out to me. Now this is supposed to be a very powerful jump starter, which is cool. Yes, I have multiple vehicles and yes, a jump starter would probably come in handy. But in my case scenario, I find that something like this could be universally used for other purposes as a power bank, and also having the ability to start my vehicle if there was an issue would be more beneficial to me and probably a lot of you as well. So we're going to unbox this, take a look at some of the features that are offered from this product and see exactly how it could work into Rome's personal workflow. And I guarantee a lot of you, it's going to be the same for you guys as well. So if you guys are ready, are you ready? Let's go. All right, guys, as you can imagine, I have a lot of tech that I use on a daily basis. And as I said before, to have something like this, guys, that could serve multiple purposes could be a win. Now, let's just take a look really quickly here at what everything that this is supposed to be able to do. It has overcharge protection. It has your power converter built into it. A lot of different features related to your vehicle. The safeties are all in place. But as I said before, my main concern is how could I use this in my everyday workflow as a photographer out on location? You just never know what's going to happen out there. So let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we get this nice little travel case that comes in the box. I do like that. Has a little bit of branding here on the front. I don't see a problem with that. Now, this is a single zipper case. That's okay as well. I prefer the two zippers, but you know what? It's not an issue because this feels like a very robust zipper. So let's take a closer look at everything that comes in this little pack, and then we'll talk about it further on the other side. So first things we're greeted with is going to be our jump starter cables. You have your traditional, negative and positive. That's to be expected. Let's pull these guys out so we can get a closer look at them. Now, I have reviewed quite a few of these over time. I can't say that these feel too much different than any of the others that I've looked at before. Yep, nice grip on them. The springs are really strong. The connection points look very clean. Yeah, traditional, standard. I like that. It has a boost button right here that you might use sometimes for some of your other vehicles, like your diesel trucks. That's a possibility. It comes with your charging cable. So you're going to get two of these little cables here. You get a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-A to USB-C. Comes with a little starter manual. But here is the main event. So let's go ahead and pop this guy out. Now, as I said, this would be something I would be more interested in as a portable power bank, okay? But first things first, let's take a look at how you would connect this to your vehicle. So over here on this side, you guys can see there's a little tab. You just open that little tab up like so, and that's where this is going to plug in. You can't go wrong with this. As you guys can see right here, you have the two little inputs right here that match up when you plug this in. It lets you know that it has connected to the battery. You have a boost button right here as well. So that's really nice. I love, the efficiency of how you would connect this. That's a win. All right, guys. So if we look at it from this end, we have an emergency light here. We have our input for charging it. We have, an output, which is a 5-volt, 2-amp going out so that you could use or either of these two to charge other devices. And you have a USB-C, which is in or out. I like that. Let's look around on this side. You have a 15-volt, 10-amp out. So if you're using like a barrel plug with some of my devices, I do have that. So you can plug this in right here. On this end, it's pretty bare. Underneath here is just basic information. There's no rubber feet on this for sitting it down, but I don't think that's a detractor. Now, as far as the power button, you guys can see here, you can just press it. So to turn on your lights, you're just going to press and hold the power button like so for a few seconds. And as you guys can see, the light turns on, and then you can cycle through the different light modes. That comes in really handy in an emergency But like I said, you know, the most important thing for a battery like this is that I'll be able to charge up all of my other devices. So whether I'm charging my drone, one of my cameras, one of my computers out on location, and if the worst case scenario was to happen, I could still jumpstart my vehicle. The design of this is really nice. I have had a couple of batteries that I've experimented with over the last 2.5 years. This one, I think will fit perfectly in a camera bag. You know, it's going to be very easy to transport. So if you think about it from the fact that this is a 4,000 power jumper, that's a win. That means you can charge quite a few things off of this. I like the fact that, like I said, I like the most important thing to me is that I can fit this into a backpack and not have to worry that it's going to take up a bunch of very valuable space. Now, as far as reliability and ruggedness, I don't know. I can't tell you what that's going to be like over time, but just from handling this and holding this in my hands, this feels very well built, guys. I can feel the significant weight to this guy. So again, if you're looking for a high quality jumper that can also serve multiple purposes, this could be exactly what you're looking for. I like this design, and I will definitely be adding this to one of my camera bags so I can carry this out with me on location. And it's going to be a lot more efficient than, you know, trying to drag one of these big batteries that you guys see over here out with me. You know, I'm not saying that it's going to have the same capacity, but the advantage is that it is so compact and it will be able to charge up, you know, some of my important things. So when it comes time for me to have to, you know, charge up my drone batteries or something like that, this could be a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this new product and offering you some thoughts as to how I would utilize it. And hopefully it will inspire you to realize that this can be used for multiple things other than just jump starting your car. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.